Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to delete group text on Android in a simple and clear way. If you've been wondering how to manage or remove unwanted group chats, now let's get started. Step 1. Grab your Android phone and open the Messages app, which is the default app used for sending and receiving text messages and is usually found on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Step 2. Once the Messages app is open, look through the list of conversations and find the group text you want to delete. Then tap on it to open the chat. Step 3. While you are inside the group chat, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots icon to open more options. This menu contains different controls for managing the conversation, including important settings. Step 4. From the menu that appears, scroll down carefully until you see the delete option and tap on it. Step 5. When a confirmation message appears on the screen, tap on delete again to confirm your choice and permanently remove the group text conversation. This final step ensures that the group chat is fully deleted from your phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos like this.